Welcome to qnawire.
Great. So the given function is 4x² minus 1/2 times log of x. And x is in between these intervals. Okay. So the surface area, we're trying to find the surface area of this function rotated about the y-axis, and the formula is given by 2 pi times integral from a to b x of y times square root 1 plus x prime of y squared with respect to y. Okay, so the first thing that we want to do, because this function cannot let us find the expression of x explicitly in terms of y, so we need to find the approach that doesn't involve finding x in terms of y explicitly. So what we're going to do is to use the u substitution. Let's set u is equal to x of y. That means du dy is equal to x prime of y, and that means 1 over x prime of y du is equal to dy. So after substituting this expression into our integral equation, we have, okay, the thing that I want to mention was, now that u is equal to x of y, the lower limit and upper limit, this is just 1 to 2, because u is equal to x of y. Okay, so now we do this. 1 over x prime of y dy, not du. Okay, which can be further simplified to 1 plus 1 over x prime of y square du. Okay, and now we have to find the expression of x prime of y in terms of u, or in terms of x, because these are the same thing. From the function given, we can find the expression of x prime of y just by taking the derivative of this guy with respect to y. Okay, so let's do that. dy y dy 1 over 4 x squared minus 1 over 2 ln x. The left side is just 1, and the right side becomes 1 over 4 2x times x prime minus 1 over 2 times 1 over x times x prime. So the I should have written x of y because we're taking the derivative of this expression with respect to y, and that should have clarified more, but you get the idea. Times x prime minus 1 over 2 x prime x. Now just gonna factor out x prime and get this expression, and divide both sides by x. No, 1 over 2 times x minus 1 over x. And what you will get is this expression. We're just simplifying it now. X squared minus 1. Now, previously we set x of y is equal to u. So this is the same as 2u, u squared minus 1. Okay? So now that we have the expression of x prime in terms of in terms of u, we can substitute that expression into this. So then we have surface area is equal to two pi 1 to 2 u times 1 plus u squared minus 1 over 2u squared du. Okay. And we'll just simplify this expression further to make the integration easier. So let's call this g of u. G of u can be simplified to this expression, cu squared plus u squared minus 1 over 2 squared, which is equal to one over 4 1 plus u squared. So the simplification is done just by factorization, and now we have 1 plus u squared. 1 over 2 times 1 plus u squares. It would be the expression of g of u. So now that we have a very simplified expression of the integral, du du plus u squared du one plus u to the third over 3 1 to 2, which is equal to pi eight over 3 minus 1 over 3 is now further simplifying that. We get 10 over 3 times pi.